Now let's talk about your lost wages. First, if you can work, you should work. If your employer has light duty available for you within the restrictions that your doctor has placed on you, you should try to work. You want to try to keep your lost wages as low as you possibly can. Now, one worry that a lot of people bring up with us is, will I lose my job if I'm out of work due to the injuries? Well, obviously, we cannot give you a guarantee as to how your employer is going to deal with this situation. What I can tell you is that if you work for a company with 50 or more employees, you will have some protection under the Family Medical Leave Act. This law states that any company that has 50 or more workers is required to protect your job for up to 12 weeks if you're out of work due to having sustained any sort of significant injury. In our opinion, the best way for you to keep your job is to stay in touch with your employer. If you are given a work excuse or physical restrictions form by your doctor, please get us a copy. We need that for your file. But also make sure you get it to your company as soon as you can. Also understand that for us to obtain lost wages for you, we will have to have a work excuse from a doctor. We are not able to recover those damages unless we have a work excuse. For example, if you stay home from work for a week because you don't feel well, we will not be able to recover those damages for you unless you have medical documentation stating you need it to stay out of work. Keep track of your missed time and your lost wages. It will be much easier to get your employer to fill out the standard form we will provide if you can show them your record of missed time and lost wages. If you are self-employed, document, document, document. We will need some documentation in writing, tax returns, contracts, or other documents that show lost or incomplete jobs in order to obtain lost wages for you. The insurance company won't pay lost wages unless we have some documentation to prove what your loss has been.